Hi friend, this is Zoe. Today I'm going to show you how you can create multiple login in the CheckTime software. If you're using the software in your company with the multiple PC, so you can create multiple login. First we log in as a default admin. We go to administrator. This is the main login in the software. You cannot delete this login, only can edit the username password. And after this, if I click the add button, you can type here the new username whichever you want, email ID, and contact number. Then you can select from here user, type the password. This will help you if you are managing the software in the multiple PC. So here initialize system, I don't want to give this user some of the thing, so you can uncheck from here whatever thing you don't want. So I just uncheck this also, click update. Okay, so we have this new user. You want to edit the user, you just go edit, you can edit the user, or you want to edit the permission of this user, then go to permission, so you can edit the permission whatever you want. Now we create one department manager, click the add button again, any username, email, contact number, and here you have to select the department manager. After department manager, system will show you the department list. You select the department list which is on department, so he can see. You can select multiple department if you want, like we select here 2 department. Okay, then we give the username and password. If this guy can approve leave, you can allow. If can approve overtime, can allow. I just next. So permission same, what permission you don't want, and then you can uncheck from the new user. Update done, user is updated. I go out, so I have now 2 new user and department manager. So I just go out from here, log out from here. First we log in as a user. So user, you see I already unchecked some of the permission. That permission should not be have inside the user. We just log in as same what we give the username password. You see backup data, restore data, administrator is disabled from here, administrator disabled from here, database update database disabled from here, and here some of the function is disabled. Just now we disable inside the user. So this how you can create the user. Now we log in as a department manager. So this thing will help you if you are using software in multiple PC. You see administrator is disabled here. If I go to employee, I click on department which I follow, can. If I click on any other department, you are not authorized for department, so not authorized. Which 2 department, that too the department manager can see. So whichever permission you want to give them, you can give them, or whichever permission you take off, you can take off. So we log in back as a admin. So here we have full permission. So like this you can create the user or department manager if you are using in the multiple PC the software with different people. Thanks for watching.
Get your CheckTime biometric system today. For more info, visit our website www.check-time.com.